Top 6 Tips for Maintaining Happiness in a Long-Term Relationship. Keep your love strong forever. Communicate openly and honestly. Effective communication is key to maintaining a healthy and happy relationship. Practice active listening and be willing to share your thoughts and feelings with your partner. Show appreciation and gratitude. Expressing gratitude and appreciation for your partner can strengthen your bond and increase feelings of happiness and contentment. Spend quality time together. Make time for shared experiences and activities that you both enjoy. By doing this, you may retain intimacy and improve your relationship. Practice forgiveness. Letting go of grudges and forgiving your partner can help prevent resentment from building up and damaging your relationship. Support each other's goals and dreams. Encourage each other to pursue personal and professional goals, and offer support and encouragement along the way. Keep the romance alive. Make an effort to keep the romance alive in your relationship by planning date nights, surprising each other with thoughtful gestures, and keeping the spark alive.